Get outside. That's not super stressful for them. As you're headed down the roads here, you may run into some wet roadways and may even need those windshield wipers a little bit as we are tracking scattered showers working their way from south to north. They have filled in a little bit, especially right around the Metroplex and then northward up towards the Denton area. And this is going to continue to race off to the north throughout the next several hours. So any showers that develop in your area, they're not going to last very long. So you will get some dry time in between them, but still keep those umbrellas handy because we will see the showers continuing to develop right through the overnight hours. And we have more of a widespread area of rain, staying a little bit further down to the south, headed up towards Athens and then Fairfield. You guys are kind of right in between some of that precipitation. Well, we have quite a bit more on the way. Notice this, sitting back into central and southern Texas. All of this, you notice it? It's heading up to the north, so that's headed our way. So it's definitely going to be soggy, not only today, but also heading into Wednesday and Thursday. And we are keeping an eye on what is now Hurricane Pamela. It's off the coast of Mexico, but could even develop into a major hurricane before it makes landfall tomorrow. You may be wondering why I'm telling you about this. It's because we're going to see the remnants of Pamela headed our way, and that's going to bring in even more moisture for us. And that means that we're looking at even higher rainfall totals as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, as all that moisture rides right over a stalled out frontal boundary over North Texas. So we are going to see widespread totals of 2 to 5 inches of rain by Thursday afternoon. For today, though, that precipitation is going to be much more scattered in nature, maybe even a few breaks in the clouds. But then by tomorrow morning, this is our next front, and we are looking at some showers and thunderstorms developing along it, especially for our western counties earlier tomorrow morning. And then this will be shifting eastward, getting right through the Metroplex around midday into early afternoon hours. And notice we're still dealing with rain around 5:30 in the same areas. It's because that front is really slowed down. With that moisture moving up from Pamela into early Thursday morning, we will see heavy showers in the area. So some localized flooding is going to be a concern, especially by Thursday midday into those afternoon hours. But we are looking at that front finally clearing out of the area Thursday afternoon, and then we have another front on Friday. This one is going to be significantly drier as it passes through, and this one's going to usher in fall conditions just in time for the weekend. We'll see those highs back in the 70s, mornings in the 50s, but we do have a flood watch, goes into effect starting tomorrow morning through Thursday afternoon, because we are looking at that heavy rain right through the Metroplex over the next 2 to 3 days. So definitely some localized flooding will be an issue over the next 48 hours. So your hour by hour forecast brings temperatures up into the low to mid 80s by 4 to 6 o'clock. We're looking at 84 in Fort Worth, 84 in Denton and Dallas. Tomorrow morning we will start off a bit warmer thanks to some strong southerly winds in the clouds in the area. And then by Friday, look at that, 79 degrees. The sunshine is back over the weekend. It's going to be beautiful for any of those outdoor activities.